Hello and good day guys. So maybe some of you is struggling on how to identify which one of this pin is the battery positive and negative, and also the left and right speaker and the microphone. So we're gonna find out now on which on this pin is the battery and speaker, and also the microphone is located. But sorry for my bad English, I'm not good in English, and I will do it on Taglish or Tagalog in English speaking, because I live here in Philippines, so we do speak Bisaya and Tagalog. So I don't I sorry, I'm not good in English, but I try my best for you to understand. Okay, we have here the Schubert, and this helmet is have a built-in intercom. This here is for the battery. Again, so shout out for my customer. So I will put here on the screen. So this one is the battery. We're done. I'm done doing a tutorial on how to remove all of this, the internal parts and also the intercom connections inside. I did a video, the and sorry, the disassemble tutorial. So in this part, or in this video, I'm gonna teach you on how to identify the pins. So okay, we're gonna put the battery back inside the battery case or the helmet. Okay, and then the cover. So we're gonna focus on here. Okay, so now we have the intercom module of the Schubert helmet C4. So now I'm gonna draw here a diagram, and then later I will put it on the screen, the clear diagram that I edited on my cell phone. So I'm gonna fix the tripod first so that we can proceed. All right, sorry for the shaky screen. Okay, so here we go. As you can see, maybe I should disassemble this one, so for you to see clearly what inside the module or the intercom itself or the electronic. So we have here the 4 screw. We're gonna remove this one, Phillips screw, and I'm using now the 1.5 Phillips screw. So right, gonna put this on the safest place. So we have here the one screw for the PCB board. We're gonna remove that one, and also this, the rubber. So before we proceed, this helmet is already damaged and it's already repaired by the other technician, and I notice here that the LED is broke. Maybe this LED has two light bulb or two color in one bulb, the red and blue. I'm not sure, but the only working now is the blue, and I see here that the one pin is broken, so maybe that's belong to the red one. So the only working now here is the red blue light. The blue light, sorry, no red, only the blue light. When you put the charger, the micro USB here, as you can see, it's blinking. So okay, I pause the video because there's a sidecar approaching here, and there's a sound, so we avoid the copyright here. So now it's not blinking, but sometimes it's blinking color blue. Okay, so now we proceed to pin. We have here the 8 pins and then the antenna. So we are focused on here the 8 pins. So I'm gonna draw the PCB board. So okay, and this one is for the antenna. And here, oh sorry, This notebook is by the way, we're still going to proceed this video. So this is the port, the charging port, and this is the button, the two button. So that button is for, this one is for minus button, and this one is for volume positive button. And the charging port, so we're gonna closer the cell phone. And we have here the 8 pins. Sorry guys, Tagalog lang, ay English lang ako ni, pasensyahan kayo. So I'm not good in English, but because some of the user of this Schubert helmet is from the outside Philippines mostly. So I'm gonna draw an 8 pins. Okay, wait Alright guys, so I repeat my drawing. So now we have here the 8 pins. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So now, as our video, we're gonna pass this tutorial. This one, the number 1 pin is belong to the positive battery. So the number 1 pin is for voltage plus from the battery. So you notice the side of the helmet, it has a battery socket. So this one belongs to battery, the positive. And the number 2 pin is belong to B negative. So voltage negative. 1 and 2 is belong to battery. Sorry for the neighbor's dog. So again, 1 and 2 is for the battery. So the 3 is belong to ground speaker for the right. This is the right and this is the left. When you're facing the road, the speaker is on the right and the left. This 3 and 4 is for right speaker. So I have here layout when I was manual tested all the parts inside the Schubert C4 helmet. So I did this for actual testing. Sorry. So this one is belong to ground, number 3. Ground or negative line of the speaker. Right. White wire. That is the white wire, the ground one. And then the number 4 is for the positive speaker. Also right, on the right side, because this one is pair. So our speaker on the helmet, or our speaker has the 2 wires, has only 2 wires, the white and the red. So red wire. So we've done here for the 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1 is for battery plus, 2 is battery negative, then 3 is ground speaker, right? And then the 4 is positive speaker, right, red wire. So we are proceed to number 5. The number 5 is also the ground speaker left. So the ground is white wire. So white wire. And then the 6 is positive speaker left, red wire. And then 7 and 8 is for the microphone. This is for the microphone. As you can see, the microphone has a microphone socket has a V shape. This one is for the female socket, and this one is for the male socket. It has a color black V shape. As you can see, the V shape is at the bottom of this video because this one is cross. When you put the V shape on the top, the wire is going to other side. So this video, the V shape of the socket is on the bottom. So we're not putting this V shape on the top because the wire will be opposite. So take note that the V shape of this socket is on the bottom, not on the top, so that we can arrange properly the wire. So not like this one. The V shape is on the top, so the wire is going to opposite direction. So hope you understand my what I have said here. So so that you can see this clearly, I will put the image in the screen on the on this video so that you can see clearly the actual layout of this board. So that's all for now, and thanks for watching Ricky Neutron on YouTube from Turil, Davao City, Philippines. If you want to if you have a plan to repair paano ba yan sasabihin? Kung may plan kayong ipa-repair yung intercom ninyo, dito lang ako located, Ricky Neutron sa Google Map. So I do intercom repair. Just research my exact location, this one. Just type this on the Google Map, Ricky Neutron. So sorry kayo. So sorry sa English, sa bad kong English kasi di talaga ako magaling sa pag-English. So I hope you see this one clearly, but I will put again on the screen the exact layout and name of this pin, so that if those of you encounter water damage, you can trace it. Or if you have to if this one is damaged and you gonna plan to buy this new one, you can troubleshoot all of this on the inside of the helmet, so that you are 100% sure that the speaker, microphone, and antenna is working, and also the battery wiring, before you buy the new one of this Bluetooth module. So okay, thanks for watching and ride safe.